Glow plugs are an important part of the diesel engine. They help to heat the air in the engine so that it can be compressed and create power. When the engine is cold, the glow plugs help to heat the air so that the engine can start. There are a number of different glow plugs available on the market. The following is a list of the 7 best glow plugs for Duramax engines. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect glow plugs for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the ACDelco 12639719G Professional Glow Plug. Here, we bring you the glow plugs for a 6.6L Duramax, a top-rated product to choose from for diesel engines only. The design is improved to heat the diesel engines for cold starts. The construction involves a GN-type regulating coil and self-regulating coil to control overheating, temperature rise and electrical flow. A full range of reaches from 21mm to 40mm will be compatible with various applications. ACDelco glow plugs are a professional's thing. These plugs are designed to match diesel engines. The engines get sufficient heat that is required for cold starts. ACDelco products are great for an ideal and high-quality replacement. Through the replacement, you'll be benefited on the road today. High-grade glow plugs help to maintain ignition in all cylinders. Get optimized in throttle response. Get around putting this in and fire up. The start works with these aftermarket replacement spark plugs. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Glow Plug, replace 9G 12639701 compatible. A fantastic replacement glow plug helps to generate sufficient heat for a diesel engine. All motor parts glow plug is an amazing product to let the engine to run and function properly. During the cold weather, these plugs preheat the air in diesel engines through the combustion chamber. Like all aftermarket products, these glow plugs improve trouble starting, engine misfires, and vehicle acceleration. The installation is done easily on top of the cylinder head. Just remove the wires from the glow plug one at a time. The main thing to consider about the glow plug is its high-quality OE fit, form, and function. It's a brand new and aftermarket replacement part by All Motor Parts. What's the attraction? Get increased in glow plug heat and improve a diesel engine to function correctly. These glow plugs would be a mandatory issue during the cold climate to solve engine misfires, decrease in power, and acceleration. Sometimes, people experience trouble engine starting. In case, All Motor Parts glow plugs avoid smoke coming from your exhaust. At number 3 on our list, we have the 8PCS Diesel Glow Plug for Chevy GMC 6.6L Duramax LB7. Spander is a renowned brand to provide all essential automotive parts, including glow plugs. If I come to the fitment, the glow plug is compatible with Duramax. Check out the fitment below. Quality assurance from the manufacturer adds more value to purchase Spander glow plug. OE specifications and connectors have an explicit fitment guarantee. You'll be benefited from an easy installation. The glow tube of the plugs resists corrosion and vibration to provide long service life. Get these glow plugs for post-heating, thus, you are benefited from the warm-up phase and environmentally friendly result. We identified lots more benefits from these Spander diesel glow plugs. The automated feature of the glow plug helps control the electrical flow that comes out of the battery to avoid overheating. Reviewers around the US appreciate the 2 seconds preheating time. No more cold start is knocking now. You can be one of them to earn reliable starting even in a cold climate at -30 degrees centigrade. We recommend this Spander manufacturer to achieve quieter engine running. At number 4 on our list, we have the set of 8 new Glow Plug 2001 to 2005. You may be caught in doubt whether the Carbomar brand is reliable or not. It is a much popular brand to provide genuine glow plugs with quality controlled certification. Plus, the glow plug is tested with brand new and high-quality features. The installation is easy and made for direct replacement with the old or broken one. The package includes 8 new glow plugs as pictured. The glow plug introduces a short preheating time starting from 2 seconds. Now, it's not harder to get your engine started even at -30 degrees centigrade. Why not earn a reliable starting? Carbomar glow plugs are featured of post-heating opportunity. Besides achieving a quick start, you'll earn an environmentally friendly result. Why am I talking it nature-friendly is because of its 40% less pollutant emission in the course of the warm-up phase. At number 5 on our list, we have the Wellman Glow Plugs Fast Start Glow Plug Set. You must be an OEM parts guy. Here we bring a real American-made product to you. Take a chance to grab these glow plugs with better quality and uniformity. You'll get it all the better than factory parts. A bunch of positive reviewers says it all the good stuff. Wellman glow plugs create a chance for faster engine startups. This Wellman set of 8 plugs helps managing reach optimum temperatures. The glow plugs are constructed with superior electrical insulation, say, and high thermal conductivity, HTC. The cold remains protected from unfortunate exhaust gas damage. Now, this Wellman stuff is improved by Dsorx manufacture, the leading US manufacturer of glow plugs. Longer-lasting glow plug helps faster engine startups and improves the bad element to perform well for several months of running. Great glow plugs. Get it all work out with the top manufacturer's suggestion so that it's easier to start your Duramax in cold weather. No more trouble codes. At number 6 on our list, we have the Dsorx DRX000578, Glow Plugs for Duramax 6.6 liters. Pack of 8. Dsorx manufactures glow plugs is renowned worldwide for its genuine feature and performance. They work adjusting optimum temperatures very quickly. Why don't you go for faster engine startups with these glow plugs? Dsorx glow plugs construction is inspired by high thermal conductivity, thus, it's easy to be protected from exhaust gas damage. Besides, the superior electrical insulation helps controlling current draw for rapid heat of coil. Keep resisted from corrosion and vibration with a premium set of the longer-lasting glow plug. Dsorx glow plug improves temperature by 40 degrees Fahrenheit higher during cold weather or when in a rush of current. This set of 8 DRX glow plugs helps high thermal conductivity for quicker engine startups. We have noticed the Dsorx glow plugs have been containing metal sheath and open coil type for excellent work condition. One of the reviewers said that he received the glow plugs in good condition. All is well. On Amazon, this glow plug set has most 5 stars reviews. Recommended to all Duramax owners. And finally at number 7 on our list, we have the GM Genuine Parts 62G glow plug. GM brand is to fulfill the need for cold starts. The glow plug is designed to give diesel engines sufficient heat and self-regulating electrical flow. These glow plugs are similar to the ACDelco professional glow plugs. You'll get the opportunity for a high-quality replacement. Make it ideal for off-road vehicles today. Maintaining ignition and cylinders is essential if the engine requires proper throttle optimization or response. These are the aftermarket replacement glow plugs to meet your vehicle's fitment accurately from 21mm to 40mm reaches. No faults with these glow plugs. A savvy amateur can fit them within 3 hours. People said in reviews that it is better to watch the YouTube videos, especially the steering shaft joints removal process. Make easier access to meet the tip. Our professionals recommend using a small amount of never seize on the threads right at the chamfer. The installation is easy with a torque wrench. Aren't you want to do this exactly? Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.